Hi, in this video I shall guide you on the project infrastructure that I have configured for the Smart Speech Therapist project. First we will go to the Jenkins screen. There I can show you a summary of my other infrastructure that I have configured. As you can see, I have a build pipeline installed in my Jenkins version, and I have saved all the other links that I have used in this project like this. And here you can see the steps in the build pipelines as I have configured them in an order. Starting from the source control system, I will guide you from the step 1. So the source control system that I have decided or picked to use for this project is the Bitbucket. In Bitbucket you can see I have a repository for this project which is called SSTS, Smart Speech Therapist for Simon. There I have 6 branches, 2 tags and 1 washer. So in these branches I'm currently using the trunk branch for the coding and development purposes, and here you can see that I've selected my trunk branch, and you can see all the updates that I have been doing this time. So let's go back, and the next we will go to the SonarQube, which is the source code analysis tool that I have you selected to be used in this project. So whenever I make changes to my source code, it will get hit onto the source code analysis system. I have selected my project from the projects list, so it should display me the dashboard for my project. So you can see the lines of code as 2451 and all the other details, comments. Yeah, so they have analyzed my source code. You can see I have some errors which I probably should be fixing right after this video. Yeah, so let's see. Might take some time to load since this is configured on a free server. So these are the code analysis that the SonarQube has performed for me. So next I'll guide you on the three servers that I have configured to develop, test, and put on production the final delivery of the software. So all these three servers are up and running at this moment. This is my development environment, this will be my QA environment, and this is the production environment. You can see all three environments are up and running. Going back to the Jenkins screen, you can see a link for TestLink and another link called ThreadMine. TestLink is the test management tool that I have used in this project. Let's log into the TestLink, and I will guide you from there how I have used TestLink in the test case management in this project. So you can see I have allocated the test specification specifically for this project, and under that test specification I have created some test suites called functional testing and unit testing and so on. So under these test suites I have added the test cases so that I can execute them whenever I want from the text execution tab. So from there you can see I have executed several test cases, and I can record my the results of the test executions. You can see I can do that from here. So in case if a test fails due to a bug or something, or whenever, even not from not you when I'm not using test link, if I find a bug, I can always go to Redmine, which is my issue management system, and I can enable uh, track a new issue from here. I have already logged 2 bugs in my issue management system, as you can see, and the earlier bug that I came up with is already resolved by now. So you can see from here, you can log new bugs or features or support. When you can integrate them with the test link test cases, and in test link, while the executions are being done, you can always link a bug to the bug management system, which is Redmine here. I have configured these two systems to integrate when they work like that. So the next thing will be the project management, agile project management tool that I have used in this project, which is UDIS. If I sign in and demonstrate on how I progress on the project management aspect, it will take some time. Just bear with me. It's here. Here I'm on the third sprint of this project. I have almost completed these steps. Sorry. I'll have to close it. Yeah. So it shows all the details on how I have managed this project. I have already closed this sprint, the second sprint, and I had my first sprint. And currently I'm on my third sprint, which is the final one before the final delivery. So this is how I have collected train data for my AI technology to train the natural language processing system. So currently I'm in the middle of that, so that's why it's the card is in the process menu. So like I have epics and backlogs planned in here. This is my backlog. Whenever I wanted to check that, sorry, I think I had to select my project. Something's wrong. Yeah, I think the sprint is not selected. Yeah, so on like that. So that's how I have managed. I've used yeah. Now you can see I have used UDIS to as my agile management software. And final, but last but not the least, my binary repository manager, which is the packaging tool that I have used in this project to work as a binary repository for all the WoW files which are being created by the Jenkins build server. At each build will automatically be sent to this repository, and specifically into this library leaks release local. I have my folder created as SSTS app in here, and you can see all the build numbers. And the last build that the Jenkins has performed is build 98. Let's see whether it's correct. Yeah, it's correct. So even the last build was success, and it has been transferred here. Anyone who wants to access my software, the repository file, they can download it from here just by giving click here. You can see the file is getting downloaded, and I have mentioned the steps on how to install the WoW file into Apache Tomcat or JBoss or Wildfire server, so they can follow it after